Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks sneaker mega for week 12 of 2022. I'll be using stickers as well as planning functionally, so make sure that you stay tuned until the end of the video to see our completed spread. This leather cover is from Daiso. It's very stiff and I really like it to house my sneaker mega, which is my work or weekly planner. I do have other planners which I will talk about in my 𝒕𝒉𝒊𝒔. Make sure that you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that video. Here are today's stickers. These first two are from Daiso and these last three are from Kikki.K. And we're going to go ahead and get started. This is going to be a very simple spread, not a lot going on compared to my other creations, so make sure that you check out the playlist if you're looking for inspiration. So here I just did a vertical line down the middle, and I'm going to be deepening the lines that are already in the planner to divide each day. This is going to be a more simpler spread. As I've mentioned, there won't be a lot of different sections to play with, but these are the standard sections, or should I say the more used sections. I noticed that these are the sections that I usually would gravitate towards making or filling out through the week. Now I'm gonna upload another video after this, so you should be seeing that in the middle of the week, but I'm sorry that I haven't been uploading quite as regularly as before because I am deep in analysis. I'm very busy and there's very little time for YouTube. I did find a bit of time today. That's why I thought I'd go ahead and make sure that you guys get a video from me. So here I'm just putting down some stickers on the dates so that it's very clear that these dates are busier than the others. There are other things going on. First we have Wednesday and putting down payday. This is a clear sticker from Kikki.K and these are sold individually. Well, no, two in a pack. It's pretty good. So I thought that I'd picked some up because they had a sale. And here I'm putting down this event banner sticker, which is super tiny and perfect for a small planner such as this Hobonichi Weeks. So I'm also going to be putting down this mail sticker, which would signify emails instead of actual snail mail. And now I'm going to go ahead and make the headers. So as per usual, I am laying down the highlight for my header, and I'm using the same highlight I've been using for a while. This is my current favorite highlight and it is from Mint My Desk, and the pen is a Pilot Juice Up 04. I did not use my Sarasa this time. And then I also have these washi stickers from Daiso, which you have seen before. And I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down on that space on the right, on the farthest section on the right, and it's just going to give me a little bit of decoration, and it's gonna draw my eye towards my top 3 priorities for this week. The top 3 sticker is from the Kikki.K sticker sheet. So that section would be for my overview, so the entire thing, well, not the entire thing, but the top part will be an overview of that week so that it's very clear to me what I'm doing for the week, as it can get very, not confusing, but very hectic. So I'd like to have that information somewhere on my planner that I can see right away. So I'm putting down some more stickers here and there, and this is the Little Moments line from Kikki.K, and this is the clear stickers 2 in a pack. There is a smaller and a bigger sticker book. Well, the bigger sticker book is the Paper Lovers book, but I didn't get that, although I had wanted to. It's just too precious, and I thought I'd just go ahead and pick the small ones, and if I really like it, maybe one day for my birthday, which is coming up next month, I would grab the bigger books. So here I really like that sticker of that girl sunbathing, because for me, she just looks exhausted, which is what I am feeling every day so far. I really can't wait to have this project done so I can move on, or really just have a little bit of a rest before I start the next one. So now I'm gonna dot the tasks using this, I don't know if it's a highlighter or a pencil, but it's 2 colors in one, and I really enjoy that pen. If you can find this anywhere, I do suggest that you try it out because it's really good. The color payoff is amazing. So I have an event on Wednesday. I'm going to Q-Pack to watch Frozen the musical. We are so excited to finally watch a Disney play. I have never had or watched a Disney play before. This is going to be our second time at Q-Pack this year. The first one was to watch the musical. What is that called? An American in Paris. It was wonderful, so we can't wait to see Frozen this time. Friday will be grocery day, and I thought I'd mark that because usually grocery days is also stationery shopping day and Daiso run, so very excited. And then at the end, it reminds me that it's double time. I hope I will be able to catch up with work since I am at work every day this week and likely next week as well. So here I'm writing down my priorities, my goals, and then my top 3 priorities this week. So for tasks, I had the yellow dots and then the brown dots depending on the day. And then for the notes, I wanted to write down this is the last week of a full week of quarter 1. Next week we are going to start with quarter 2, and I wanted to remind myself to just get some work done. Don't dally, or just focus so it's extra colorful. So these are our finished pages, and I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all my mess, and I think that's very important to show you guys that I do clean up afterwards. My next video once again will be the 𝒕𝒊𝒔 for the end of quarter 1, and I hope that you are subscribed for that, and thank you so much for watching. If you would like, I'm also on Instagram. So here it is close up. I'm actually filming at work because it's Sunday and there's no one here but me, and I think it worked out well. And I'll see you in my next one.